Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. So today I show you guys a simple way of realizing boss braids at home. So first you start by sectioning your hair. You apply edge control to make the line clean. Later on, you take a little portion of the hair, you apply edge control at the surroundings, and you use a comb to hold it well. Then you divide a portion of hair you have sectioned into two. Then you take extensions and you put on it. Then you use a rubber band and tie your hair. Later on, you take edge control and you apply it on your hair. Apply a good amount of edge control on your hair. Then use the extensions to cover your natural hair. Make sure you cover your hair well enough. Then you take another portion of extension which is bigger than the first one you took, and you just do 3 like cornrow, and this is quite easy for those who can clip their hair automatically. This method is quite easy to do. Then in order to beautify my braids, what I did is I added passion twist to the braid. So you just add your passion twist. So I'll allow you guys to watch. I'll repeat this same process 2 to 3 times so that you'll be able to understand it well.
Make me retires. You're at my mind. You're at my mind. Black my bones and purple my hands. You're at my mind. Yeah, you're at my mind. Drip, 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 drip on my waist that I keep. Begging and addicted. Yeah, addicted. Drip on my face and I keep begging I'll take that, yeah, yeah. Pet me, 내게 부족한 것 채워, 줄 수 있는 건 너, 단지 너, 단지 너, 그대 나를 잘 알고 있어. 그대 더러운 나를 씻어. 모든 것이 다 끝나고 나면 난 다시 사람이 되어 그래. Blow with my bro, spank me with ties. You're at my mind. You're at my mind. Break my bones and purple my eyes. You're at my mind. Drip, drip, drip on my waist that I keep. Begging and addicted. Yeah, addicted. Yeah, drip on my face and I keep. Begging and addicted. Yeah, addicted. Yeah.
baby hair's light. Money long, bitch, I been getting paid. Keep a big bag, never full diamond, yeah. Bitch, I'm good in any hood, but it's love in the bag. Yeah, my wrist don't forget, we ain't shining the same. I pull up in the range, and the squad never change. Icy, that's a gang. About to get it on the floor, bust it down, make it shake. Yeah. Long ass nails like some crab legs. Team, I'm supreme, never average. How your waist be disappearing from the side, bitch? Damn, you fine, you a dime, you a savage. That's right. I know that's right. Ain't never motherfucking wrong. Ayy. Get it, girl. 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 Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Bitch. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that do? What I tell it to? Bitch. Ass on soul food, ass on ziti, ass on Buffy, ass on sweetie. Give a little some if you start getting greedy. Got a squad full of tens and they all hella pretty. What a big ball of niggas and they friends at? Where they ain't finna spend a couple M's, man. What a East Saint Laurent fill a limbs. Make a chick had to fix her to wig cat. Wow. Patty cake, get your man. Everybody on me when I do my dance. I look like money and I taste like M's. I see them imitate, but it's cool, I'm a trend. Roll my ass like damn, and my makeup blend. I don't chase no men, that don't make no sense. She a bougie ghetto girl, so they mad bitch. And if you got a problem with it, you could come and get the hands. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Bitch. What that shit do? What I tell it to? Yeah. What that do? What I tell it to? Bitch. I know that's right. Ain't never motherfucking wrong. Ayy. Get it, girl. Baby hair's light, money long, bitch, I been getting paid. Keep a big bag, never full diamond, yeah. Bitch, I'm good in any hood, but it's love in the bag. Yeah, my wrist don't forget, we ain't shining the same. I pull up in the range, and the squad never change. Icy, that's a gang. About to get it on the floor, bust it down, make it shake. Yeah. Long ass nails like some crab legs. Team, I'm supreme, never average. How your waist be disappearing from the side, bitch? Damn, you fine, you a dime, you a savage.
Once I'm done braiding, I just use my hair mousse, and later on I take a hair dryer which I dry it off. Then I apply my hair growth oil. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and thank you so much to the returning subscribers. See you guys in my next video. Kiss.
Ass on soul food, ass on ziti, ass on Buffy, ass on sweetie. Give a little some if you start getting greedy. Got a squad full of tens and they all hella pretty. What a big ball of niggas and they friends at? Where they ain't finna spend a couple M's, man. What a East Saint Laurent fill a limbs. Make a chick had to fix her to wig cat. Wow. Patty cake, get your man. Everybody on me when I do my